Hello students, today we are starting with the first chapter of Mathematics Part 2. The name of the chapter is Commission, Brokerage and Discount. We'll be also solving some sums from exercise 1.1 of the same chapter. So let's move. Now before starting the actual exercise, let us see some terms related to this topic, commission. Now, what is commission? Commission is the charges paid to an agent for doing some work on behalf of some other person. Like you must have heard, buying a flat or selling a property, we take help of a middleman. And for doing that work, we need to pay some amount to this middleman. That amount is called as his commission. Now, this middleman who helps us in doing this transaction is called as an agent. And the parties or the individuals who are involved in the transaction, like selling and buying the property, etc., are called as principal. Now, this agent's commission is usually fixed in terms of a percentage of the value of the transaction. Say 1% commission or 2% commission. That is called as the rate of commission. So suppose you're selling a property through an agent for say rupees 50,000 and the rate of commission is say 1%. Then you have to calculate his commission as 1% of 50,000. So this 1% is called as his rate of commission. Clear? So we have seen what is commission, what is agent, what is principal and what is rate of commission. So now let us start with exercise 1.1. Let's move to the whiteboard. Let us start with the first exercise of the chapter Commission, Brokerage and Discount of Part 2. See, this is the exercise 1.1, the first sum. An agent charges 12% commission on the sales. What does he earn if the total sale amounts to rupees 48,000? What does the seller get? Now see over here, the rate of commission of the agent is 12%. Correct? So rate of commission is 12%. Fine. On the sell, what does he earn if the total sale amounts to rupees 48,000? So total sale is rupees 48,000. Now we have to calculate the agent's commission. So we'll write therefore agent's commission is equal to 12% into 48,000. So that is nothing but 12 upon 100 into 48,000. So these two zeros get cancelled with this. 12 into 480. That is 12 zeros are 0, 12 eights are 96, carried 9, 12 fours are 48 and 9 is 57. So the agent gets the commission of rupees 5,760. Now the next question is, what does the seller get? Now the total sale is 48,000. From that the seller has to give 5,760 rupees to the agent. So we'll subtract this 5,760 from 48,000 to get the seller's amount. So it's 48,000 minus 5,760. So this comes 10 minus 6, 4, 2, 24. So that is 42,240. This is the amount that sailor gets. So we finished the first sum. Let's start with the second. So see the second sum. A salesman receives 3% commission on the sales up to rupees 50,000 and 4% commission on the sale over 50,000. Find his total income on the sale of rupees 2 lakhs. Now see students, over here the total sale is of rupees 2 lakhs. Correct? But the rate of commission is not same all over. What they have given is the salesman receives 3% commission on the sales up to 50,000. That means out of this 2 lakhs, on the first 50,000, he will get the commission at the rate of 3%. So let us first count that. Commission on first 50,000. The rate is 3%. So 3% of 50,000. That means you will get 3 upon 100 into 50,000. So these two zeros get cut with this. You get 1,500 as the commission on the first 50,000. Now how much is the remaining amount? From 2 lakh the 50,000 is gone. So the remaining amount is of sale will be 2 lakhs minus 50,000. So that comes to 1,50,000. Fine. Now on this 1,50,000 the rate of commission is 4%. That means therefore the commission will be, we have to calculate 4% of 1,50,000. So commission is 4% into 1,50,000. So let's see how much that comes to. 4 upon 100 into 1,50,000. So these two zeros goes with this. 15 fours are 60 and 2 zeros. So that is 6,000 rupees. So on first 50,000 he gets the commission 1,500 and on the remaining amount he gets the commission 6,000 rupees. So the total commission will be 1,500 plus 6,000. That will be the, what I asked? Find the total income. So that will be the total income. So total income is equal to 1,500 plus 6,000. So that comes to 7,500 rupees. Getting? So you write the total income of the salesman is equal to rupees 7,500. This is your final answer. Correct? Easy? Let's move to the next sum. Okay, so let's see the third sum. Messrs. Saraswati was paid rupees 88,000 as commission on the sale of computers at the rate of 12.5%. If the price of each computer is rupees 32,000, how many computers did she sell? Now see students, over here what they have given is, they have given the total commission. Correct? Saraswati was paid rupees 88,000 as a commission on the sale of computers. So the total commission is equal to rupees 88,000. Correct? At the rate of 12.5%. That means rate of commission. %12.5%. Right? Then they have given the price of each computer. Price of each computer is rupees 32,000. And we have to find the number of computers sold. So what we can do is, first we'll calculate the commission on each computer. How much that will be? 12.5% of 32,000. So we write, therefore commission on each computer is equal to 12.5% into 32,000. So that is 12.5 upon 100 into 32,000. So this 0 goes with this one with this. So 12.5 into 320. That comes to equal to 4,000. You can calculate and check. Now we have to find out the number of computers sold. So therefore, number of now on each computer she gets the commission rupees 4,000. Total commission is 88,000. That means number of computers sold will be equal to total commission upon commission on each computer. Commission on each computer. So that is 88,000 upon 4,000. So this goes with this one with this 0 with this, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 8. So the answer is 22 computers. Understood? Therefore, find the final answer. Therefore, total number of computers sold is equal to 22. So that's your final answer. Fine. Let's move to the next sum. So let us start the fourth sum. Anita is allowed 6.5% commission on the total sale made by her, plus a bonus of 0.5% on the sale over rupees 20,000. If a total commission amounts to rupees 3,400, find the sales made by her. Now see students, over here they have given the rate of commission, correct, on the total sale made by her, and we have to find the sales made by her. So we'll say that let the sale made by Anita, let the total sale made by Anita be rupees X. Be rupees X. Now, what is the rate of commission? 6.5%. That means on this total sale, Anita will get the commission equal to 6.5% into X. Correct? So, therefore, commission is equal to, I'll just write in short, 6.5% into X. Let us number this as 1. Now the next one, a bonus of 0.5% on the sale over 20,000. That means the rate of bonus is 0.5%, but it is not on the total sale. It is on the sale made over 20,000. So the rate of bonus is 0.5% on the sale over 20,000 over rupees 20,000. Correct? So therefore, how much bonus she will get? Bonus will be 0.5% into, from the total sale you will have to subtract 20,000, just like how we did in the first sum, in the second sum I think. The sale over 50,000 it was said. So over here it is over 20,000. So from the total sale we will subtract 20,000. So this is the bonus that Anita gets. And what is the total income? If her total commission amounts to rupees 3,400, that means total commission is equal to rupees 3,400. That means this commission plus bonus together amounts to rupees 3,400. Correct? So therefore from 1, 2 and 3, we get, what is that? 6.5% into x plus 0.5% into x minus 20,000 is equal to 3,400. Getting? This is her Anita's commission, 6.5% of x, and the bonus is 0.5% into x minus 20,000. This total together comes to 3,500. So we have to add equation 1 and 2 and equate it with equation 3. Now this is the equation that we have got. Now we have to simplify this. So we will get 6.5 upon 100 into x plus. Now here this will be half is 0.5. 0.5 into x, that is 0.5x upon 100. Correct? 0.5% will be 0.5 upon 100 into x. This is now minus again 0.5, that is half into upon 1 upon 100. So this 20,000 divided by 2 will be 10,000. So you get 10,000, or if you want you can write 20,000 upon 2 into 100. So that will not confuse you. Have you understood what we have done? We are multiplying this 1 upon 2 upon 100. So that is actually 1 upon 200 into this 20,000. So that comes to equal to 3400. We have to find the value of x. Now over here 6.5 plus 0.5. So this will be 7.0x. So 7.0x upon 100 minus, how much this is? This goes with this, this goes with this. 2 ones are 2, this is 100. So you will get 100 is equal to 3400. So let us, that is 33,000. Therefore 7x is equal to 33,000. This will go that side. Yeah, it will be 3,400 plus 100, that is 3,500 into 100 upon, let us take this 7 on the other side, it will go for division. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are, this is 500. So you will get 5 and 4 zeros, that is 50,000. So the total sale made by Anita will be of rupees 50,000. Understood? So let us start with the fifth sum. Priya gets salary of rupees 15,000 per month and commission at the rate of 8% on the sale over rupees 50,000. If she gets rupees 17,400 in certain month, find the sales made by her in that month. Right? Now over here, this very simple sum. They have given the salary. Priya's salary is salary is rupees 15,000. Correct? Now the rate of commission is 8%. Very simple sum. I hope you must have understood what we have to do next. Commission %8 on the sale over 50,000. Now you are very much familiar with this term. On the sale over, what you have to do? On the sale over rupees 50,000. That means while calculating the commission, we have to subtract 50,000 from the total sale to calculate the commission. And what I have given, if she gets rupees 17,400 in a certain month, so we can say that is the total salary or total income. Total income is equal to rupees 17,400. Now this total income will be equal to the salary plus commission. Fine. We have to calculate the sales made by her. So first we'll say let the sales made by Anita Priya it is. Priya be rupees X. Correct? So what will be the commission? 8% on the sale over 50,000. Therefore, commission is equal to 8% into X minus 50,000. Correct? Rupees you can write. So therefore, total income is salary plus commission. Now salary, total income is how much? 17,400. Salary is 15,000 plus the commission, that is 8% into X minus 50,000. Now when you take 15,000 on this side, will go for subtraction. So 17,400 minus 15,000 will be 2,400. Fine. And this calculation, 8 upon 100 into X minus 50,000. So get 2,400 is equal to 8 upon 100 into X minus 50,000. Now let us take this 8 upon 100 first on this side. So how much will you get? 2,400 into 100 upon 8 is equal to X minus 50,000. Correct? 8 3s are 24. So 0 0. So this side you get 30,000 is equal to X minus 50,000. Now when you take this minus 50,000 on this side, it will come plus. So you get X is equal to 30,000 plus 50,000, that is 80,000 rupees. So this is the total sale made by Priya. So you can write over here, therefore total sale is rupees 80,000. Fine, that completes your
Students, I am sure as usual you must have liked this video. So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of this channel. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you and goodbye.